Hello, welcome today in this video. You must have heard, come rain, come sunshine is actually a saying used by those with winning mindset, by those who want to achieve something regardless of the challenges that may come their way, because challenges may come like rain, surrounded from both sides. Anywhere challenges may come like sunshine, hot enough that can give you difficulties. This is a saying that is used by those who want to reach, those who want to achieve their goal in life. Come rain, come sunshine. Rain will definitely come our way. Sunshine will definitely shine on us. But let it not discourage you from achieving or reaching where you want to reach. Are you an engineer or technician to be? Are you still at school, hoping one day to become a technician or an engineer? This is an encouragement for you that yes, nothing should stop you. Let that mindset be in you. Come rain, come sunshine. The situation may look cloudy. The situation may feel hot. Take heart. I encourage you. Move on. Motivate yourself with come rain, come sunshine. I wish you all the best in that which you have decided to be. Regardless of the challenges, I wish you success. Remember to always like, share, and give us some guiding comments to help us as we produce more video of this sort. See you in my next video. God bless you.